Hello guys! Mag-unboxing ako. I ordered something in Amazon. So, I don't know. I forgot kung ano na-order ko ito siya. And another one. So, we'll see what's in this. Nakalimutan ko kung ano yung in-order ko. But I ordered something. One for my ano yun sa candle making shrink wrap, and another one this one. Wow! Condenser microphone. So, first, we're gonna open the telescope. So, this is for the cell phone. Like, magkukuha ka ng video, tapos, minsan kasi sa gabi, di ba, hindi tayo makakuha ng magandang ano sa cellphone. So, this is the one that we use for makakuha ng magandang outcome yung video. So, I like it. It's a telescopic lens. Ooh, fancy. Look. So, I don't know how to use it yet, but it's awesome. My God. So, you're just gonna connect this to your cell phone. Tapos, meron ka ng views. Magandang views. Tapos, may measurement dyan. Measure niya. I like it. Kasi minsan gabi, di ba? Minsan lalo na pag merong yung aurora, northern lights, hindi makukuha sa cellphone. You cannot take videos on the cellphone. May stand din siya, cute. Oh, this one goes here. Like this. So, that one, tapos ito dito. Meron siyang tripod din. So, connect your phone here, tapos ito yung sa ano. We're having fun now. Diba? There. So, connect yung phone, tapos ito yung ilalagay dito. Pag-aralan pa paano gagawin. Tapos meron siyang alam ko bakit may ganito. Pero wala siyang wala siyang meron siyang user manual. So, okay. There's an English version and a Chinese version on the back. Which is nice. At least pag-aralan mo, tapos meron siyang lalagyan. Diba? Ang ganda. I like them. I like them all. And I'm gonna see the contents. This is the one I'm excited about. Yung condenser. So excited. There's one. And there's a manual. I like it. Look. Hold on. I'm gonna pause it and then I'm gonna show you the box. 1 second. So, ito yung laman ng box. Including this one na tinanggal ko. And the one. Ito sa microphone din to ba? Oh yeah, this is sa microphone. Tapos ito yung ano niya, ikakabit sa table. Ito. Gold. Gusto ko sana red, kaya lang parang mas maganda yung gold. Tapos itong foam na to sa to sa microphone. Kasi baka malawayan mo. Okay, so there's a manual. I don't know how to use this, but we will see. Diba? The microphone. Pwede rin itong pang-video, okay? I'm gonna ask him to play a song. Oh, mayroon pang headphone. Diba? I bought this kasi mataas yung highest rating siya sa Amazon. And we'll see. We're gonna try how to do this. And there's a one paper. Hindi naman siya user manual. Ano lang siya, description ng mga item. And I don't know if there's a user manual somewhere inside. We'll see. There. And this one for diba? Ito yung telescope. There you go. I'm so excited to use my stuff. And the plastic that I ordered, this one is aking condo. Shrink wrap siya. Ano lang ng heat gun, tapos magsishrink na siya. And my telescope with a stand and accessory. And my condenser. I'm so excited, my God. Look at that. But it doesn't mean I'm gonna sing in my LS. No. I can sing in the bathroom and then here, hindi sa live. I'm not a singer though. Oh. Kaya lang magaling kumanta. Pag natutulog siguro kumakanta ako. So anyway, this is my unboxing. Alam niyo naman ako pagka may natatanggap ako, unboxing agad. So, I hope you like my video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And also join my Facebook page, the same name with my YouTube channel. And thank you all for your support. And God bless. Have a nice day. Bye.